Alright, so today we're going to be changing the spark plugs on the ATS. There's 4 of them. Looks like the only tools you're really going to need are 4mm Allen key, 10mm wrench, and then your spark plug socket. So basically you'll take this oil cap off, take that little 4mm bolt off, and then this beauty cover will come off. And then we'll see where the injector or the coils are. And we're going to be using these Denso spark plugs from ZZP. They recommend using these in these 2.0s. Alright, so to pull that beauty cover off, there's just these 2 little spots that it kind of sits in, so you're going to kind of lift, you know, up and out. Just make sure you don't get caught on this is it a fuel line there or something, but you just kind of get it over that, pull it out, and then next we're going to take all these little connectors off before we take off these 10mm bolts to get down there. So we'll do that next. Alright, so to get to this last guy, we're probably going to have to take off this thing that held that cover in. So it looks like there's one 10mm there and then one 10mm there. I'm going to use this ratcheting wrench to make it easier for myself, but if you've got just a normal one, you can do it. It'll just take you a little bit more time, but we should be able to pop those 2 off and then get access to that. So. Alright, so now we're going to take these coil packs off one at a time, and as we take one off, we'll use the spark plug attachment with these extensions, pull one out one at a time, and replace it with the new spark plug. So there you have it, putting in those Densos from ZZP. Doesn't take too long. I don't even know how long that took us, maybe half-hour tops, taking our time. But super easy. Once you get that beauty cover off, they're all 4 real accessible up there. The back one's kind of a little bit of a pain in the ass, but you just got to move that little thing that holds the cover in. Just move that off to the side and you've got plenty of room. So not too bad little project.